Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. This window box bead mix in red is exclusive to Walmart and it's jam-packed with all kinds of jewelry making goodness. And it's holiday season, so I'm going to make two bracelets. One for my bestie and one to keep for myself. And they'll be almost exact, so we'll have matchy-matchy bracelets. So the way you make these, I use 7-strand beading wire. You can just string your beads on in whatever design you desire. I chose small to large beads and I used a metal bead for my focal. Those satiny looking beads, there's 4 of them, so I put 2 of the coin shape on one bracelet and the oval shape on the other. And otherwise, they're really identical, and that's what makes them really fun and great for gift giving. All you need is that stringing wire and some crimp tubes. And guess what? These boxes have 2 toggles included as well. So I have a toggle and so does my bestie. And they're a little bit different, which also makes it special and fun for gift giving. So all you'll do is string on your beads, you'll attach your toggle, and you'll crimp with a basic crimp function and a crimp tool, and you have an absolutely fantastic set of bracelets. Now, you can't keep them both, so give one to a bestie, give one to your sister, your mother, your daughter, your granddaughter. This is a great way to create loving gifts this holiday season. You can find these window box bead mixes exclusively at Walmart. Thank you so much for watching.